Here we have the January North Garden. Let's go check it out. Up first are the onions, planted on December 31st. We have on the left side here 80 Southern Belle red onions, bulb onions. Carrots in the middle that died because they were transplanted. And on the right, 80 1015Y Texas Super Sweet bulbing yellow onions. A couple weeks back, I filled this bed and we have cover crop germinating, ready for peppers next year. The top two rows were planted in 1023 of this garlic, and the bottom two rows were 1120. The right half is Helium Red, and then this left half is California Early. And then we have some nice cover crop that's looking perfect. Definitely ideal planting time. It's been warm and no rain, even to now, so the tomatoes continue to do well with very little disease pressure. Vivacious continues to perform well. As you can see here, there's still a constant stream of Vivacious tomatoes on the vine. Early girls still coming in, which is nice. Valencia hasn't had anything in months. Sant Orange still has many clusters of the little grapes. Clementine, while not as tasty, still holding on, good production. Then we have some Palladino picking up, which is nice. And Isis Candy just never producing anything. I cut down cover crop from another bed and put it inside this bed, and then covered it with compost for tomatoes next year. These are my two pea types. On the right side is Sugar Daddy, left side is Cascadia. Right side is 4 feet, left side is 5 feet. The right side just started flowering, and I'll show you what the biggest pod looks like. This is Sugar Daddy's first or biggest pod, and you can tell it's still a little immature, so it's taking a bit longer. Cascadia is much further ahead. We've already eaten a number of these pods, probably about 10, and you can see it's a bit bigger. Some are really stringy, some are not. A lot of variation, probably due to, you can see the colored ones. There was a cross, definitely, of this mix. They're all supposed to be white flowers, so this is definitely a half breed. That's even possibly a full breed. Last up, we got our Egyptian walking onions there, doing well. Then we have cilantro, which I just planted 2 weeks ago, along with lettuce. Our Brussels sprouts is doing well there. It hasn't been cold enough, 38's the lowest, so we still have basil, surprisingly. It's going well, hanging on. This Tierra cabbage is doing well. That one isn't, and I don't know why. That spot seems to be really bad. And then this is a beet, and it's being munched on all over the place.